Hi everyone, it's Darryl the Trusted Travelier. I came out last night to have a look at the pond just for a nice gentle walk and discovered that the pond has really come back to life at this time of year. So I thought that I would just kind of take you on a bit of a tour, not so much to talk to you about the pond and tell you everything about the pond that we have here, but just to take in the sights and the sounds of the actual wildlife and just to relax. We just got told that we are now in the phases of yet another lockdown here in Ontario. So I think that what we really need to do is we need to focus back on the simple things in life. We need to step back and just kind of enjoy what we do have. So my objective here is to just kind of take you through the pond, let you listen to the sounds, let you see the things that I see as I walk through the pond, and maybe you can just kind of take it in for your own personal use and just kind of relax and enjoy it as much as I do. I absolutely love coming out here and just relaxing, chilling out, just enjoying the moment. And I think that it's very, very important right now for everybody's mental state of mind to be able to do these things where, it's great for me because I live in the country. So because I live in the country, I can get out and I experience these things. However, some people don't have that ability. A lot of people live in the city or in urban areas that really you go into your backyard and your neighbor has a fence and things like that. Whereas here, we don't have that. So if you'd like to come along and just kind of relax, listen to the sounds of nature, enjoy yourself, and just kind of kick back, that's the principle of this particular show that I'm doing today. And I went through it last night, and the sounds of the frogs and the pond coming back to life was actually almost ear piercing. The frogs have really are singing right now. I would imagine that it's mating season and that's the reason why this is happening. But what I will do is I will take you through and please turn up the sound. I'm not going to do a lot of talking through this one because I don't think that I need to do that. I think that what we're going to do is just let you listen and see what I see here in the pond and just take a moment, breathe, relax, and enjoy the moment. Stay with us.
Darryl the Trusted Travelier, Darryl the Trusted Travelier, gonna raid some trails, Canadian bush, with Darryl the Trusted Travelier, with Darryl the Trusted Travelier.
I hope you enjoyed all of those sounds and being surrounded by nature as much as I did. For me, it was a wonderful afternoon. It was a great opportunity to get out and enjoy nature and see her at her best and listen to her and let her sing to me the songs of nature. And I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you did, hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you again soon.